Gary, what do you got going on, Gary?
Oh, hey, Larry. Hey, my wife has a 2018 Toyota RAV, and it's got the automatic transmission, of course, but she drives very little miles.
Uh-huh.
So after 5 years, she ain't going to have 30,000 miles on it. Would it be a good idea can you just drain the transmission fluid and then replace without doing the filter and all that, since you're doing it early?
Yeah, I don't have any problem with that whatsoever, Gary. And between me and you, I think that every 30,000 mile fluid drain and fill on a transmission like that usually means lifetime transmission. When a customer or a listener calls or emails me and they want a quote on a transmission service on a Toyota, if it's a front-wheel drive, I quote it both ways, either for a drain and fill or for a pan drop and a filter, which adds a considerable cost to the operation. And of course we use the AMSOIL synthetic fluid. But in your case, the Toyotas, they use a higher micron filter, and it's a filter material that really doesn't deteriorate. It's pretty much like a fiberglass woven high micron. If it was a real low micron filter, that would pick up 2 microns, a filter like that is really subjected to restriction and plugging up. But unless you've got a severe transmission problem, that's creating a lot of debris in a transmission, that would be the only time that a filter replacement would probably be warranted in a Toyota anyway. But you're not going to tell somebody with a new late model Tundra not to change their oil filter in their transmission. They're going to regardless. But for passenger car stuff, just doing a drain and fill on it is plenty's fine. And that is a do-it-yourselfer type of job. If you don't have to go to the extreme of dropping the pan on it, you can drop the plug off out of the bottom of it. You can catch what's in there and actually measure the fluid that you're taking out. And just, on those, it's usually going to be a little over 2 quarts is what you're going to get out of the pan. But see, if you do that every 30,000 mile, that fluid is going to stay absolutely clean as a pin. You will never ever have any debris in that fluid whatsoever. But yeah, by all means, knock yourself out, drain and fill on that. You should be fine. And the every 30,000 mile, I just think that's the secret to success when it comes to the longevity of a Toyota transmission.
Okay, perfect, Larry. Thank you.
All right, have a great weekend.